Okay, the security light stopped flashing, so it recommends when it stops flashing to turn it to the off position for about 10 seconds, which I did, and then attempt to start it again, and it should reset itself. So it started, and now it stayed on. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. And then what you have to do is just make sure you reinstall everything that you took off. So now I'm reinstalling these screws on the bottom of the steering wheel cover. It's handy to have a little teeny ratchet. You don't need a small one. It's a number 7. And then don't forget to install these screws. And those are tight now. So after everything's installed, it should work beautifully. And it does. So hopefully you can follow my video. Excuse my handling of my cell phone. I don't have a cameraman, so I have to do everything. But that should save you several $100s in labor. Good luck.